How's it going?
Oh, everywhere you turn. That's a two-person job, isn't it? Well, what we're doing here now is we're trying to kill two birds with one stone. These are the self-seeded sitka spruce, which we don't want. So they've all got to be got rid. But at the moment we're just trying to get some big ones to sell or to ask for donations for people for Christmas. We're basically getting rid of trees and we're putting them to good use.
We're here celebrating Langholm's switching on of its Christmas lights, but we're also selling our sitka spruce that have been cut down off Langholm Moor, now to be known as Tarras Valley Nature Reserve. And we thought it'd be a really nice gesture if we could sell them on to people who would be wanting a tree, a nice tree for Christmas.
Happy Christmas from the Tarras Valley Nature Reserve.